Temaribet, Lamchi, Temaribet, Lanta.
Hello class, welcome to Temaribet. Today we will learn about a very interesting topic, which is about methods of measurement. Let's get started. So first we'll define what measurement ወይም ልኬት ምን ማለት እንደሆነ እናያለን በቅድሚያ ሜተዶቹን ከማየታችን በፊት Measurement is just a way of obtaining unknown value with comparing standard units. ወይንም ከአንድ የሚታወቅ ነገር ጋር compare በማድረግ የአንድን ኦብጀክት ልኬት የምናውቅበት መንገድ ነው ማለት ነው measurements. Basically, there are two types of measurement methods. Those are indigenous and modern. Let's see the difference of these two methods of measurement. As the name indicates us, the indigenous method of measurement, or we can say the local method of measurement, which is mostly used locally. The modern one is used globally. The indigenous method is just the non-standard which means the value is not similar all over the world. For example, if we see a handspan means the distance between my thumb and the finger, the tip of my finger. So my handspan may not be similar with others. So it is not standard. But when you come to the modern, it is standardized. For example, if you say 1 meter, which is the same all over the world. If the distance of this body is 2 meters, it's the same all over the world. That's why we said global. But if I just measure with my handspan, it will not be the same all over the world. This is their basic difference. So now let's see examples. There are different units of measurement for length, mass, temperature, and volume as well. Let's start with the length. The most common units of length, special for the indigenous, are handspan, as I started, handspan digits, which is a width of an adult's fingertip, and Cubit, it is the distance from your elbow until your fingertip. So these are the common units of indigenous measurement, and others like the pace, which is distance between an adult's, one work of adults, like that's we call it a pace. These are the most common units for length only. Now let's see the modern units for length. Actually, the modern units, they use SI units. SI stands for System International. That's why we said it's globally accepted. SI, it uses SI units. SI unit of length is meter, and there is other non-SI units, like we can measure in terms of centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, and etc. There are a lot for the length as well in modern units, which can be obtained by using a device meter by meter. Let's see the other unit for masses. So there is also another indigenous and modern unit for mass, like the lengths that we have seen. The most common units, indigenous units of mass are like wackates, which is mostly used for measuring gold powder. The mass of gold powder is determined using wackates. And the other one is Feresula, which is also used to measure the mass of pepper and coffee ወይንም የበርበሬና የቡና ክብደትን ለመለካት የምንጠቀምበት አንዱ ዩኒት ነው ማለት ነው። We use for pepper and coffee. One Feresula is approximately 17 kilogram. ወደ 17 ኪሎግራም የተጠጋ ነው። The other one is Quintal, which is used to measure the mass of most grains like teff, Sini, and etc. So, which is approximately 100 kilogram, which is related with modern units called Quintal. Okay, let's come to the modern unit of mass. First, let's see the SI units. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. In short, we can say kg. And there are other units which are not SI, like gram, milligram, centigram, and etc. So we can measure the mass of objects using kilogram, gram, milligram. It depends on the amount of matter which found inside the substance. Okay, and also there is another units for time and volume. Let's see them as well. Elders use mostly shadow of tree to know what time is it in ancient time. So the indigenous method is just they use shadow. ወይንም ደግሞ when a sun change position, the shadow also change position. That is the way they use to measure time. So a shadow of tree. የዛፍ ጥላን በመጠቀም ታይም ኢንተርቫሉን ዲተርማይን ያደርጋሉ ማለት ነው። But when you come to the modern one, it has its unit as well like others, which is second. But there are a lot of measuring units for time which are not SI. Some of them are like hour, minutes, day, week, months. We can mention a lot. So there are a lot of measuring units for time, but the standard or the SI unit is second. And the last one for this part is volume. As we observe it in the other units, there is also indigenous unit of volume. So the most common are like jug. We use locally to measure the amount of liquid, like a jug of water, which mostly made from glass and somehow from plastic, like Tasa, which means a can, like a murty can, and Sini, this is a coffee cup. So, and like Kubaya, this is just like a mug. All these are the measuring units of volume, which is used in indigenous. When you come to the modern, there are a standard unit for volume, which is liter. But there are other units which is applicable for volume, like milliliter, meter cube, centimeter cube, millimeter cube, and others. There are a lot of measuring volume. So we have compared the modern unit versus indigenous units. So this is a basic difference. This is local acceptable and non-standard. For example, if somebody use small jug and others they use big jug, it's not standard. But over here, if somebody use 1 liter and some other use 1 liter, it's the same. It's all over, it is the same. So that's why we said it is standardized. ቪዲዮውን ከወደዳችሁት በዚህ ዩቲዩብ ሊንክ ስር ኮመንት ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ፣ እንደዚሁም ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር በማድረግ በዩቲዩብ፣ ፌስቡክ፣ ቴሌግራም እና ቲክቶክ ፔጃችን ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። በቀጣይ ቪዲዮ እስከምንገናኝ ድረስ ባይ ባይ ሲ ዩ